In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for social media content creation, 2026 full guide. In 2026, social platforms reward content that feels human, specific, and native to each channel. If your posts still read like generic AI blurbs, your reach and watch time will stall. So today we'll turn ChatGPT into your social media strategist to craft viral short form scripts, design high retention carousels, and spin a single idea into a month of content, all without sounding robotic. First, set the foundation by training ChatGPT on your brand voice. Don't let it guess your style. Open a fresh chat and establish a clear baseline such as act as an elite social media strategist, and adopt my brand persona going forward. My tone is casual, witty, and highly practical, with short, punchy sentences. Avoid corporate fluff, overused emojis, and vague buzzwords like revolutionize or delve. Confirm it understands, then keep working in that same thread so the voice stays consistent across everything you create. Next, use ChatGPT to script short form videos for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. The opening 3 seconds are everything. Prompt it like this: I'm making a tutorial on an automated workflow using Perplexity AI and YouTube transcripts. Generate 5 distinct high dopamine hooks to stop the scroll, then a tight 60-second script with visual cues. Ask for scene by scene beats, on screen text, pattern interrupts, and B roll notes. Run 2 or 3 variants and keep the best hook, the clearest call to action, and the most dynamic pacing. Then, scale your ideas with a 30-day multi channel calendar. Consistency beats inspiration. Take my core topic, trading Forex and gold, ZOUSD, using high impact news calendars, and build a 4 week plan. Each week should include one long form LinkedIn post, 2 Reels concepts, and one interactive poll for X. Have it stagger themes, suggest posting windows, and include rough headlines so you can queue content fast. For visual depth, have ChatGPT draft slide by slide carousel scripts. Ask for a 7 slide educational breakdown on web scraping best practices using Python Playwright with exact on screen text, clear layout cues, and a concise caption note. Keep language scannable, maintain strong contrast for readability, and use a repeatable template so production stays quick. Finally, repurpose winning posts with strict channel optimization. Paste your draft and say, adapt this for LinkedIn with a clean, professional, scannable format with white space. Then rewrite it as a short, witty, high engagement thread for X in a conversational tone. Preserve the core idea, but tailor structure, pacing, and calls to action to each audience. Use ChatGPT as your co-pilot, and you'll spend less time staring at a blank page and more time engaging, analyzing, and growing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.